Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to speed up your Windows startup time by enabling the Fast Startup feature. If you're looking to make your PC boot up faster, stick around, because this simple setting can save you a lot of time. Now, let's see how you can enable it. To get started, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type in Control and hit Enter. This will open the control panel. In the control panel, go to Power Options. If you're not already in the large icons view, go to the top right corner of the control panel and select Large Icons from the drop-down. On the left side, click on Choose what the power buttons do. This will open up a page where you can adjust settings related to how your PC behaves when you press the power button. On the next page, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. This will allow you to modify the settings under Shutdown settings. Now, scroll down and look for Turn on Fast Startup. Make sure the box is checked. Once it's checked, click Save Changes. And that's it. You've enabled Fast Startup. The next time you shut down and turn on your PC, Windows should boot up faster. So, by enabling Fast Startup, you can give your computer a significant boost in startup speed without needing any extra hardware or complicated tweaks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your computer. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.